In this video, we'll show you how to withdraw USDT from Rainbet to any crypto wallet. First of all, you need to log into your Rainbet account. Then you need to click on Wallet in the top and go to Withdraw. Right here in the cryptocurrency, you need to select USDT. Then you need to choose the USDT network. For example, I will choose ERC20 Ethereum network. It's very popular and most of crypto wallets support ERC20. Now we need to provide our USDT ERC20 wallet address right here. The minimum withdrawal amount is $15. So in this case, I will go to Binance and I will show you how to copy my USDT ERC20 wallet address. This process is similar on any other wallets. So in this case, I will show you how to do it on Binance. If you don't have a crypto wallet, I will leave the Binance registration link as a pinned comment so you can create an account on Binance. After you will log into your Binance, you need to click on deposit in the top right, select deposit crypto, and right here you need to select USDT. Then you need to enter the same network we have chosen on Rainbet. In this case, we are using the Ethereum ERC20 network, and right here we'll see your Binance USDT ERC20 wallet address. You need to copy the wallet and paste it right here. After that, you need to enter the amount of USD you want to withdraw from Rainbet to Binance, for example 100, and as you can see there will be a very small fee, in this case 27 cents. If everything is correct, you need to click on withdraw, and in maximum 20 minutes you can check your balance on Binance or any other wallet you send crypto to. For example, I will show you how to check my balance on Binance. You need to hover over the wallet in the top right and go to spot account, and right here you will see your USDT balance. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.